Hello, I'm Vinetta, and I'm from Estonian University of Life Sciences, but I represent the Living Lab, and I would say we were a case study for the Codex project, but also as the Codex project is ending, for us as a Living Lab, this is only the beginning. And today I will just a short presentation, and I will present the work on progress. We worked on a systematic approach to examine drone-based remote sensing solutions for semi-natural grassland management. And this is the case study what Mino was presenting today, second presentation. And I would just talk a little bit about our Living Lab, but you can read abstract in the really nice abstract book from in page 137. So our Living Lab is between Latvia and Estonia, and our stakeholders, the main stakeholders was and are the user of the drone technology, but the drone technology, I mean specifically mapping drones. And our ecosystem on the ground is the semi-natural grasslands, and these are high-value grasslands for the whole European Union, and this is a specific branch of agroecology. And the farmers we focused on are the farmers who live and work in nature protection areas and landscape protection areas. And then our other stakeholders in the Living Lab are universities, knowledge institutions, and then public actors like Environmental Protection Board, state forest agencies, and so on. And we are a small country, so we work between Latvia and Estonia, and also because the drones are mobile, so we can go to farmers. And this is our digital technology. So what we did in the Living Lab, we really explored these co-benefits of digitalization, and we provided farmers with the whole huge data sets, and anything starting from the drone image all the way to through all the raw data sets of maps, all the way to AI-assisted indexes of the biodiversity and different plant indexes. And what we realized that the farmers in these specific who farm for the nature conservation, they don't have the ground sensors, they need digital tools for decision making, and the maps are the best tools for them to plan the restoration of the grasslands, to plan the management like hay cutting, and also the grazing planning. And this kind of decision was made that farmers doesn't want to have the drones themselves, but the best case scenario for adapting the digital technology would be to develop a specific service using drone remote sensing solutions. And this is the other way around. And this is work in progress. We are working on the article together with the CNR from Italy, and just follow us, and then when we write an article, there will be an update through Codex, and we can look more into our case study. And there was an interesting today was an interesting comment about looking into the coordination of the Living Labs or coordination. I think that would be very interesting for us to address when we write this article. And the last thing I want to show, sorry, I'm going the other way. I just wanted to show a video. This is a 3D model of our landscapes. It's a 3D model made from our drone images, and this is between Latvian and Estonian, and this is the wooded meadow restoration site. And I just this is the farmers who we work with, they call themselves, we are the artists and the landscape is our canvas. So our digital technology helps us to helps them to record their work. And this is one of the small results which I can show you. Thank you.